I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at how to choose the proper Redi shade temporary paper shade for your house. So these are great if you're doing a renovation. Maybe you painted, but you haven't actually hung window treatments in your house yet, or maybe you just bought a house like I did that doesn't have window treatments, and you need something temporary to put on your window so that you have some privacy, so you can block the light until you're ready to install real window treatments. And Redi shade is really great for that. So these are paper pleated shades you can hang up. They stick on. They're really easy to take off and remove. And you can choose based on a couple of different factors which one you're going to use. One is the amount of light that this allows in. There's 3 different levels. One of them is light filtering, then there's room darkening, and there's blackout, which is what I have here. Light filtering lets in just a little bit of, or actually quite a lot of light, and it just sort of provides some privacy, but it still allows light in to light the room. The middle one, room darkening, is sort of a mixture. It darkens the light while also blocking views and providing privacy, but it still lets some light in. And then the one I have here is the full-on blackout blind. And that one is going to provide really complete blocking of light, give you total privacy, and it's also going to make the room really dark if you want to use this to sleep. So that's the first thing to look at. Choose between those different styles. And then also you want to look at the size of your window. So get out a measuring tape, measure the height and the width of this, and you basically want to look mostly at the width. And what you want to do is choose a width that is a little bit bigger than your actual window, because the way that you install these is you actually take a scissors and cut it down to size. So you want it to be a little bit bigger than the width of your window. It's the first one here. In this case, it's 36 inches. And then you'll cut it down to the exact size. Obviously, if it's smaller than your window, you're going to get a gap on the side and you can't customize it to the window. The final thing, look at the color that you want to use. There's all different colors available here from Redi Shade. Let's see what this looks like on my actual window. So here it is, hung in the room. It's stuck on the top there using the sticky on there on the back. And then this is the pleated shade. It comes down to the bottom of my window. Not super attractive, not something you want to leave up for a long time, but if you're in the midst of a renovation project and you're waiting on your actual window treatments, then this is a great temporary option. You can see it's doing a great job of blocking full daylight here with the room darkening, and it's also giving me quite a lot of privacy.